The time has come. You made it to part 11, load summary and reports. Let's walk through it together. When you go to the loads summary tab, you'll see the navigation tree on the right. You can expand this to view your systems, zones, and your spaces. When you click on a system, you will see initially the cooling peak for that system. The first top of your summary page here shows you all your cooling loads and your heating loads at that peak. When you scroll down to the bottom half, you'll see some of your equipment sizing or your coil loads. You can see the airflows for that system, the temperatures at different points in the system, and then most importantly, your total coil load for that system. If you go to the zone, you'll see the peak for that zone. Similar information, starting with the peak cooling and heating loads. And then at the bottom, you have some coil sizing for your terminal unit. On the space level, you just see all of your cooling and heating peak loads for the space. Another way to review and deliver your reports is to export them as a PDF. To do that, go down to the Reports button in the bottom left-hand corner. Generate new report. And then click the Download button. Once downloaded, you'll be able to view the PDF and scroll through the report. One trick I want to show you while we're talking about loads and the reports is how to view impacts to your loads in real time. To show that, I'm going to go to any given space, preview my cooling loads, and then I'm going to open up another browser and log into the exact same project. With my loads on the right-hand side, I'm going to make some changes to the underlying conditions over here and watch as they impact my system. For example, if I was going to change my window to something with a much worse solar heat gain coefficient, you might see this. You can visualize right away the impact to your loads and make comparisons in real time. Now we've gone through the entire process of performing load calcs. If you're curious about what's up and coming with HVAKR, head over to part 12 where I'm going to give a brief introduction to our upcoming duct design tool.